The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice. Tired of bloating, brain fog, and stubborn weight despite eating healthy? Imagine if just 7 simple foods could balance your insulin, melt fat, and skyrocket your energy, backed by science. I'm John, a certified nutritionist who's helped thousands reclaim their energy and waistlines through simple, science-based food swaps. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook how deeply food affects your metabolism and vitality. But what you eat daily determines your risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Today, we'll uncover 7 of the healthiest foods, plus 3 bonus picks, that lower insulin, stabilize blood sugar, boost metabolism, and support long-term wellness. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos packed with practical nutrition strategies. Stay with me until the end. We saved the most underrated transformation food for last. Number 1. Raw sauerkraut. Struggling with bloating, poor digestion, or low immunity after meals? Meet Sarah, 38, who felt bloated daily and caught every cold until she added raw sauerkraut. Here's what's really happening. Raw sauerkraut outperforms yogurt in probiotic diversity, balancing your gut microbiome for smoother digestion and less gas. Fermentation pre-digests the cabbage, improving nutrient absorption and overall gut comfort. Its vitamin C strengthens immunity, fights oxidative stress, and helps absorb plant-based iron, perfect for vegans. Glutamine helps repair the gut lining, while vitamin K2 supports bone and heart health. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to salads, meats, or eggs. Sarah did this for 8 weeks, lost 22 pounds, ditched antacids, and regained her energy. Want to fast-track your health journey? Check the description for my next video to kickstart your health journey. Number 2. Arugula fatigue holding you back even when you exercise? Mike, 50, felt sluggish and couldn't recover properly until he swapped spinach for arugula. Arugula is a low-oxalate leafy green, unlike spinach or kale, which can stress your kidneys. Its natural nitrates raise nitric oxide, widening blood vessels for better circulation, oxygen delivery, and athletic performance. As part of the cruciferous family, its glucosinolates help detoxify your liver and protect the digestive tract against certain cancers. A handful daily can completely transform energy and endurance. Mike's results? His runs improved, energy stabilized, and he dropped 12 pounds in 2 months. Try it in salads paired with olive oil and protein for best results. Number 3. Wild-caught salmon, battling brain fog, inflammation, or high cholesterol. Lisa, 45, struggled with mood swings and fatigue until she added wild-caught salmon twice a week. Wild salmon is rich in omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, which slash inflammation and support heart and brain health. It also has more selenium and fewer toxins than farmed fish, naturally balancing cholesterol and protecting cognition. Grill or bake 4 to 6 ounces 2 or 3 times weekly and keep the skin on for added micronutrients. Lisa normalized her cholesterol, lost 15 pounds, and said her focus became crystal clear. Number 4. Grass-fed hamburger energy crashes every afternoon? John, 42, ate clean, but couldn't stay alert until he switched to grass-fed beef. Grass-fed meat offers a better omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, reducing inflammation and blood sugar spikes. It's also packed with vitamins B12, B6, and niacin to fuel metabolism and brain performance, and natural creatine for strength recovery. Grill a 4 to 6 ounce patty 3 times a week and source organic whenever possible. John stabilized his metabolism, built muscle, and lost 18 pounds. His productivity soared. Number 5. Brazil nuts, feeling tired, cold, or sluggish. Emma, 39, fought thyroid symptoms until Brazil nuts changed everything. Just one nut provides your daily selenium needs, powering thyroid hormones that control metabolism, energy, and immune balance. Selenium also boosts antibody function, protecting against infections and fatigue. Stick to 2 or 3 nuts per day because too much can cause digestive upset or hair loss. Enjoy them as a snack or sprinkle chopped pieces on salads. Emma balanced her hormones, lost 10 pounds, and said she rarely got sick anymore. Number 6. Extra virgin olive oil. Are your joints stiff, or do you struggle to absorb nutrients despite eating healthy? Tom, 52, loaded up on vegetables but stayed inflamed until he added olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil unlocks fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, helping your body actually use the nutrients from your meals. Polyphenols like oleocanthal act like natural ibuprofen, lowering inflammation and supporting heart health. Use cold-pressed, unrefined olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily on salads or veggies. Avoid overheating cheaper, refined oils. Tom's joint pain disappeared, his energy surged, and he dropped 14 pounds without changing anything else. Number 7. High-quality cheese. Still dealing with bloating or belly fat despite clean eating? Rachel, 41, had IBS and stubborn belly puffiness until quality cheese transformed her digestion. Aged, raw, or grass-fed cheeses deliver probiotics for gut balance and a healthy immune system. They're rich in vitamin K2, which sends calcium to bones instead of arteries, and CLA, a fat-burning compound that preserves muscle. Just 1 to 2 ounces a day boosts flavor and satiety while supporting metabolism. Rachel flattened her stomach, improved digestion, and finally enjoyed food again. Bonus number 1. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher cocoa. Cravings ruining your progress? Mark, 47, conquered sugar binges with dark chocolate. Flavonoids in dark chocolate improve circulation, balance blood sugar, and lift mood naturally. Magnesium calms stress and supports kidney health. Eat 1 or 2 small squares of 70% or higher dark chocolate daily. Mark lost 11 pounds and said his cravings nearly vanished. Bonus number 2. L-Reuteri yogurt. Poor sleep or muscle loss with age. Sophia, 36, rebuilt strength and deeper sleep with L-Reuteri yogurt. This probiotic strain boosts oxytocin, the connection hormone that lowers stress, improves mood, and enhances recovery. It also promotes muscle protein synthesis, protecting muscle as you age. Make it at home. Combine milk with L-Reuteri starter, ferment 24 to 36 hours, and enjoy half a cup nightly. Sophia gained strength, slept deeply, and lost 20 pounds. Her vitality returned. Bonus number 3. Avocado. Want to take it a step further? Add avocado. Creamy and satisfying, avocado is loaded with fiber, potassium, and monounsaturated fats that keep blood sugar stable and crush cravings. Half an avocado a day supports heart health, digestion, and long-term fat metabolism. There you have it. 7 powerhouse foods plus 3 bonuses that transform your metabolism, digestion, and energy. Each one supports your body differently, but together they create balance, vitality, and sustainable fat loss. If you're tired of dieting cycles and low energy, your transformation begins today. Discover more life-changing tips waiting for you below. Check the description for your next must-watch video tailored to your health journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to join thousands transforming their health naturally. Thanks for watching. And remember, your remedy starts right now.